Jambo! Hey everybody! Welcome to the Swahili classroom. And in today's video, we are talking about kitchen utensils in Swahili. All the kitchen utensils you need to know in Swahili. My name is Millie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit this subscribe button and join our class. And if you have been here before, thank you so much for supporting and keeping on watching. So let's start. Kitchen, jikoni. Kitchen, we say jikoni. Utensils, vyombo. Vyombo. Utensils. Saucepan, we say sufuria. Sufuria. A cup, kikombe. Kikombe. Cup of tea, we say kikombe cha chai. Kikombe cha chai. Cup of tea. A plate is sahani. Sahani. A bowl. A bowl. We say bakuli. Bakuli. Bowl of rice. Bakuli la wali. Bakuli la wali. A glass is glasi. Glasi. Frying pan, sufuria ya kukaanga. Because frying is kukaanga in Swahili. Then the fridge, we say jokofu. Jokofu. You need a measuring cup in the kitchen. So that one, we say kikombe cha kupimia. Kikombe cha kupimia. For the measuring cup. Oven, tanuri. Tanuri. Oven. You need a cooking stick for mingling and mixing. Cooking stick. So, cooking stick is mwiko. Mwiko. A tray is sinia. Tray, sinia. Tumbler for taking water is bilauri. Tumbler, bilauri. Bilauri. You need a waste box for throwing your waste, and that one we call it sanduku la taka. Sanduku la taka for a waste box. A toaster is kibaniko. Kibaniko. A covering lid is kifuniko. Kifuniko. Cover the saucepan. Funika sufuria. Funika sufuria. A fork is uma. A fork, uma. Spoon, kijiko. Kijiko. Jug, jagi. Jug of water. Jagi la maji. Water is maji in Swahili. So jug of water is jagi la maji. Then of course you need food in the kitchen. So food is chakula. Chakula. If you missed our video on food, you can watch it from this card here and get to know all the Swahili foods. If you're learning something from this video, please make sure you give it a like. Broom is ufagio. You need a broom in the kitchen. Broom. Unahitaji ufagio jikoni. You need a broom in the kitchen. Unahitaji ufagio jikoni. The chopping board, we call it body ya kukata. Chopping board. Body ya kukata. Cabinet is kabati. Cabinet. When they are many, the cabinets, we say makabati. Makabati, cabinets. You also need a soap dish to hold your soap. And the soap dish is called sahani ya sabuni. We said soap is sabuni. So the dish is sahani. So it is sahani ya sabuni. Soap dish. Dishwasher. Mashine ya kuosha vyombo. Dishwasher. Mashine ya kuosha vyombo. Cooker is jiko. Cooker. Jiko. Apron, we say aproni in Swahili. Aproni for apron. You need aluminium foil for wrapping and covering your food. And that one is called karatasi ya alumini. Karatasi ya alumini. Karatasi is a paper in English. Karatasi, paper. So it is karatasi ya alumini, aluminium foil. A basket is kikapu. You need a kikapu in the kitchen for keeping your tomatoes, onions, for going for shopping. Cutlery. Cutlery is vipandikizi. Vipandikizi for cutlery. Sink, sinky. Sinky, sink. You just add I at the end. Sinky. Sieve. A sieve is kichungi. Kichungi. To sieve is chunga. Chunga, sieve. A pot, nyungu. A pot, nyungu. Peso, mchi. Mchi. M is a little bit silent, so you say mchi, mchi. Mug, kombe is like a big cup, so you say kombe. You don't add ki like the cup, which we say kikombe. So this one you say kombe. It's like a big cup, kombe. Mug, kombe. You need a cook, and a cook is called mpishi. Mpishi. The spices, we call them viungo. Viungo. You need spices. Unahitaji viungo. Unahitaji viungo. You also need a table in your kitchen. So, unahitaji meza. Table is meza. Soap, sabuni. Sabuni for soap. And also, you need a mop. A mop is fagio la matamua. Fagio la matamua for a mop. To watch more of our videos, you can click on this playlist here. And now, since we know the utensils we need in the kitchen and the Swahili food we can cook, that's it for today. Let's go to the kitchen. Kwaheri.